Uh-oh.
In this video, I'll be reviewing and tearing down from Laserland the 510 nanometer green laser pointer. I ordered a pair of these, and I didn't really know what to expect initially. It came in this box, and for under $20, that was a nice touch. One thing I noticed that for a laser this size, it had a pretty good weight, and upon opening it up, that it was a pretty general construction. This is normally what a lot of laser pointers from China are built with. The button is all metal, as well as this front piece in front of the lens. So that was a nice surprise. Let's put the battery in it and see how it looks. In contrast to 532 nanometers, the beam isn't really visible. The output really isn't that bad for a beginner direct diode laser, and even with some smoke, you can see the beam quite clearly. Outside during dusk, you can barely see the sparkle of the beam in the air, and against the wall, the output isn't too bad. You'll notice a line which is coming from the camera and some cast off from the outside metal of the laser housing. From a distance, it's not really too bright at all. While this would be easily suited for a small classroom, I would not recommend this for an astronomy laser over using a 532 nanometer. Here I have three lasers. On the left, a 532 nanometer DPSS, the 510, and my 505 nanometer gold-plated laser. As you would expect, the 510 nanometer laser falls right between the 532 and 505 nanometer laser. With a little bit of smoke, you can also see the color difference in the beam's output. It's quite a unique color difference between the three of them. With the light turned off, the colors become even more pronounced between the three of these. The 532, the 510, and the 505 nanometer lasers. I had not expected this laser to be so difficult to take apart, but as you can see, everything is held together by the front lens piece. A portion of brass tubing connects the outside of the laser pointer to the actual laser diode module, and on the back there's a small boost board. Here's the underside of it with the inductor, and on the other side, the switch and potentiometer. If this video gets 100 likes, I will post up how far I can push this laser pointer's power, and link it down in the description below. After removing the front section, we can see a very common sized 5.6mm diode host. Currently it has a plastic lens in it. This is a standard MX9 lens with a spring behind it for tension, and inside the 5.6mm 5mW 510 nanometer Osram laser diode. That's a heck of a tongue twister. 5.6mm 5mW 510 nanometer Osram laser diode. Honestly, what makes this laser worth it is this case. It's a great case and can be made into any color, although I highly recommend using a glass lens instead.
So my final thoughts on this laser. It's a good laser for a beginner laser pointer person, It would be great for class presentation. Even on dark colors, it shows up pretty well. It doesn't have any burning. It's about 5mW. That's all you're going to get out of it, if even. So it's pretty safe, even if you're someone who has kids around. It's safe for pets. It's not going to harm them. It's durable. Everything on here is metal. The case is actually really robust. Everything is metal. It's astonishingly strong for what it is. The battery would shift. See, I told you it was durable. Just put it down. Just give me it. Just thank you.
With that one, now what does that mean for the next thing? Hey, I'm Jeremiah from Join the Technicians here on Geno Dilladown's channel for a change, and he has something he wants me to take a look at, so we're going to find out what that is today. Alright! What do we have here? It looks nice, man.
Oh, it gets better, Jeremiah. I want you to do one thing real quick. I want you to see it works, right? Go ahead, press the button. Right? Okay, behind you there's a plate of metal. Okay? And this is astonishing. I want you to take that metal and I just want you to beat that piece of metal. Or take the laser and just use it and just give it a couple of hits. Right? See what I mean? Look, no damage on that coating, dude.
Well, I definitely give it this. It can handle a bit of abuse. Okay, here's something you'll want to cut out of the footage. Oh, I guess it's continuing to work. I found there's a
it's a custom battery I put in there.
It's the outside shroud. Now let's take a look. I mean, this is a really nice filling case.
I know, it's
This shit looks
satisfying.
good. I see what you did there, and that's rather clever.
Yup.
Okay, so he's got a small 1.05 watt-hour e-hookah battery inside of a spacer case. You know, there's nothing wrong with custom.
Third-party add-on.
A little creativity goes a long way.
How would you rate that on a scale of 1 to 10?
Ease of assembly, it's at least a 9. Quality of build, it's obviously I'm able to smash it against that piece of metal. It
It's
can
obviously
clearly
a
take
10.
some abuse. Now, can I throw it across the room? I'm not going to try it, but I would guess you could probably take it.
How much would you pay for it first?
Oh, well, let me ask you a question. What's the wavelength?
It's 510. That's a direct diode.
510. But it's 505.
It's 510. Compare it with my 505 and my
You got a
530.
510? Oh my god.
It's
What-
different than the 522 if you brought that, but I don't think you did. But yeah, 510 nanometers.
No.
Yeah.
No. No. Where is mine? I need this. Given that I have the funding, a case quality like this, I'm comparing this to the oddball yellows there, and I would say this is worth at least $300.
It's $19. Okay.
What is the maximum power output? Can we match 50 milliwatt? That's my criteria for my personal laser collection.
Because I have another one. If this video gets 100 likes, we'll post it.
If this video is gonna, of course it's gonna get 100 likes. Come on, it's a 510 nanometer laser.
Yeah,
You've got to
but
be kidding. Even I didn't know that.
Look at that. That's amazing.
What?
And they
It
have
threads in?
Yep, and they have 3.8 millimeter ones. That's a 5.6. That's an amazing laser case, isn't it?
I'll tell you what, man.
That's an amazing.
That's pretty friggin' fantastic. I
That's
can't believe it.
fantastic.
Wait, okay, so this is the rest. What?
Yup. Exactly. And the metal button.
Please tell me
And
you're
the
gonna
metal
stick
button.
with this universal case.
This is an amazing case, dude. For the case, I would pay the money.
Okay, so we've got. You can't beat it.
You can't beat.
Laser diode driver, 5.6 millimeter mount. He's got the adjustable lens in the front. That brass aperture. God, that's fun. That is nice.
That is nice.
That screws on. This is one modular piece too. You've got to love that. That's a press fit. Yeah, I can see exactly how that lines up. That's beautiful. You know, if this was your universal case choice, I would say keep with it.
I want to know more about what you guys want as well. Because let's face it, I'm a laserist. I do not do video work. Okay? I make things that light up, blink, buzz, chirp, and shock. Do you want to see more of me in front of camera, or do you want me to narrate videos? I'm going to be throwing up both styles, and I want to see which gets more reviews. If you want to see me talk, let me know. If you want to see me narrate, say, shh, be quiet, Pat. Calm down. Energy level. Too much. Can't do this. I have noticed that on a lot of my videos, the cameras get burnt out. Me, myself, I have no intention of getting a good quality camera. I'm going to destroy it anyway. I have ADD. It's not suffering. Another goal of mine is to also help support people in my local music scene. I'm doing this by taking music produced by artists that I have met while doing lasers and stage lighting, and I am now putting those tracks up on some of my videos. So these aren't copyright-free music tracks, but instead tracks that I'm bringing to you from people who I know and think are really good artists and producers. So check those out. I will place all those links below in all those videos. I think it's a good thing to support my crew. For what it is and what it costs, buy it. 100% buy it.
You ain't kidding, dude.
It's an amazing
I've never
value.
seen one of these. And you know how long these are going to be around? They're going to be here and they're going to be gone before you know it. I already know because I've seen these diodes come and go. I've seen these diodes come and go for years. They show up, they pop up on the market, and they're gone.
Coming up for you guys, I've got a bunch of the new 55 milliwatt sharp 495, 490 nanometer laser diodes. I'm building a laser pointer that is all plated in a rose gold finish. So I did the back and everything else. This works. I'm not going to show you guys just yet. I think that's it. Oh, I just bit my... Oh, that's terrible. Well, that's it. Hello.
It's not bad at all. That is ridiculous.
I like that
That's amazing. That is absolutely incredible that these wavelengths exist. Not just that they exist, but they exist in direct diodes. Who makes this stuff?
Osram.
Osram. I've got to give those guys credit. They're really doing